As far as the issue is before us, I would just say that I think we need to move on. No, the laws have gone, and Modi ji has said that the laws are going to be taken back. So why are we discussing what was good or what was not? Because if there is a process which involves the Kisans have to be taken on board because they are the main stakeholders. One. And there is
the
a
Kisans
trust deficit because of which
the political party said, how can this government do it? How can Modi do
I'm
it?
just telling you.
If Modi should not be allowed to do it. That was the agenda of the Congress party. So let us not be very this about it. And if the laws have been repealed now, Sujata ji, then you should say Kisan should go home.
Bharatiya Janata Party is such a weak government. That means you admit that Bharatiya Janata Party government has not been able to convince the
government in Punjab is led by the Congress party. The government in Punjab is led by the Congress party, and the Congress party leaders only urge these people to not camp in Punjab but go and surround Delhi. Go and surround Delhi. So let me tell you, there are videos of Mr. Sunil Jakhar. There are videos of Mr. Sunil Jakhar who won. There are videos of Mr. Sunil Jakhar, there are videos of Mr. Gurnam Chaduni. Both had two differing points of view at some point in time. One group called these protesters as Khalistanis, and Ravneet Bittu said the same thing. Then on the other hand, they said, you please go there. You please go to Delhi. Don't camp in Punjab. Don't protest in Punjab, whereas Punjab was not even implementing the farm laws. The Punjab Assembly had very clearly said that हम लोग ये कानून लागू ही नहीं कर रहे स्टेट में, लेकिन फिर भी पंजाब का किसान दिल्ली पर जाके क्यों बैठा, किसने बिठाया उनको?
BJP government. Are you trying to say that the Kisans who came from Punjab could not be spoken to? Communication is the key, my friend. And
it is all very nice to say right now. What has been orchestrated on ground is something these Kisans in 2008, 2009 were demanding of UPA 2, and UPA 2 could not give. And that's the reality. And what is happening in Parliament is the Congress has decided Parliament nahi chalne denge. Congress has decided सड़क पर गाड़ियां नहीं चलने देंगे. Congress has decided कि किसी को भी भड़काएंगे लेकिन इस सरकार को गिराएंगे. So that seems to be the agenda, ma'am. That's exactly what they are saying, that it is largely Congress leaders which agitated, misinformed and misled.
Okay, if you say that the
Congress combined with the ultra-left, that is the CPIM or the CPI Maoists, and there are these Maoist leaders sitting right next to the Congress leaders, and that's what started the whole thing. So these are all there on record. This is all there. Gurnam Chaduni say that Gurnam Chaduni is not a Congress leader. Say Gurnam Chaduni is not a Congress leader. Say Gurnam Chaduni is not a Congress leader.
Why were they not talking
The point is, you disrupted an entire session of Parliament talking about the Kisan laws. Now you are again trying to disrupt another session of Parliament, saying, why did you repeal the Kisan laws without asking us? Why did you pass the laws without asking us? Why did you repeal it without asking us? Whatever it is, we will block. This is clearly evident on ground, and this is evident in Parliament. So let's call a spade here, ma'am. Let's call a spade here. You believe that the politics that you believe is going to resurrect the fortune of the Congress party is greater than the interest of the Kisan, greater than the interest of the country, because my political fortunes matter. The country does not. Country comes later.
If the government had spoken to them, this
Nothing,
situation
ma'am.
wouldn't have arisen.
Let me. Sardar RP Singh, the Congress party will continue to play holier than thou. The Congress party will continue to say you are at fault. But the fact of the matter is, the people who are also expecting from you now. अब आपने laws repeal कर दिया है. अब आपके सर पे चढ़ जाएंगे ये. अब ये बोलेंगे MSP हटाओ, हमारे ऊपर से केसेस हटाओ, अजय मिश्रा टेनी को हटाओ. उसके बाद कहेंगे कि बिजली की सब्सिडी दो, बिजली का बिल मत कराओ, बिजली का बिल हटाओ, और पराली पे फाइन भी मत लगाओ. सब कुछ they will sit on your head and dance now, sir. Sardar RP Singh, that's what they will do. And the Congress party will beat the Nagada, saying continue to dance on the BJP's head. And who's going to suffer? The Chota Kisan. And who's going to suffer? The people of this country. And this country.
This government has paid.
That's your narrative. That's your narrative. He's sitting with more majority, more numbers than what he got in 2014, in 2019. And you are not even, you are struggling to get to even 3 digits right now. So, and you are saying this government has failed. 370 went under this government. Triple Talaq went under this government. CAA amendment happened under this government. The farm laws also came under this government, and this government has failed. Demonetization should have happened in 2004. It happened in 2016. This government has failed, ma'am. This government has failed. Thank you. That is the only narrative you will have, because you cannot palliate. You cannot palliate that a person is committed towards reforms in this country. That is the problem, because that does not suit your brand of politics. That does not suit your brand of politics, or what the party has made its brand of politics now. RP Singh.
Sujata Paul just now said, thank you Anand, thank you. Sujata Paul just now said, why are we discussing these bills here? Since they have been put on, why are we discussing? Please, Sujata ma'am, tell this to you leaders. The bills have been repealed, why are they stalling the parliament now? To discuss it now.
Saying your government has failed.
I want the same.
We want the
I interrupted you.
सरदार
जो पोर्शन होगा वो क्या देंगी इनको, क्या देंगी आप क्या?
अरे आपको किसान का कर्जा चुकाने के लिए पैसा नहीं है, वैक्सीन खरीदने के लिए पैसा नहीं है, लेकिन आप MSP पर खरीदोगे कैसे?
सब्जेक्ट है.
Right? When you brought in these
And I'll tell you what will happen. The Punjab government will say nobody from Haryana can come to our mandis. The MP government will say nobody from UP can come to our mandis, even if you live in the border and the nearest mandi is in Madhya Pradesh. Nobody from UP can come. Bihar government will say कोई बिहार के अंदर आया तो देख लेना. This is what you are going to do. Each state is going to fight with each other, and you are going to make each kisan fight with each other. And I'll tell you, ma'am, only 9 crore people in this country pay taxes. Who is going to buy this? From whose money are you going to buy all of this stock, and where are you going to keep it? Where are you going to keep it? Wheat itself, 110 lakh tons. 110 lakh tons, whereas we need only 42 lakh tons. तो बाकी जो है पड़ा सड़ रहा है. कहाँ बेचे? क्योंकि आपने एसेंशियल कमोडिटीज एक्ट की वजह से और इन लॉस की वजह से बेचना भी मुश्किल कर दिया. डायरेक्ट एक्सपोर्ट भी नहीं कर सकता किसान. सरकार कहाँ लेके जाएगी? खैरात में देना पड़ेगा. और फिर ये स्टेट गवर्नमेंट्स कहेंगे हमको दे दो, 4 रुपए में दे दो, हम 2 रुपए में वापस घुमा के इन्हीं को दे देंगे और कहेंगे देखो हमने आपको खाना दिया, राशन दिया, मुफ्त में दिया, सस्ते में दिया. दिस गेम इज व्हाट इज गोइंग टू बी प्लेड. I have limited time, Vijay Sardana, but these demands, are they fair? और is it a situation जहां मुंह खून लग गया? These people now think कि ये सरकार पीछे चली जाएगी तो चलो इनके सर पर बैठ के सब कुछ मांग लेते हैं, और वो सब कुछ मांगते हैं जो हमारे लिए हमको लगता है ठीक है, किसान के लिए ठीक हो या ना हो.
परजीवी बता रहे हो, परजीवी ना बताओ.
We will have WTO sanctions, ma'am, if we make MSP a legal guarantee, because the WTO has raised objections. Please come. You should know the facts. What is in the interest of the country and what is not in the interest of the country. किसान अपना माल किसी को नहीं बेच पाएगा अगर सैंक्शन लग गए तो. विजय सरदाना.
Will you ask this lady to keep quiet for some time?
You call the person Annadata, then answer this question. Why is it that more than 75 years now, 15% of the GDP contribution comes from agriculture, whereas more than 60% of the population is in agriculture? Why is that happening?
There are lots of people who are involved in agriculture.
So don't try and play this emotional card while you have taken them for a ride all these years. 10 करोड़ से ज्यादा छोटे किसान हैं जिनकी 2 बीघा से कम जमीन है, उनको क्या राइट्स मिल रहे हैं? वो कहां पे अपनी कौन सी मंडी में किसको जाकर बेखौफ बेच सकता है? You have not given the किसान their rights. और 20-25 लाख 40 लाख कमाने वाला किसान एक नया पैसा टैक्स का नहीं भरता, लेकिन उसको बिजली की सब्सिडी चाहिए. सब्सिडी उसको दो जिसको जरूरत है, जिसकी आय 5 लाख रुपए सालाना से कम है या 2 लाख रुपए सालाना से कम है, लेकिन जो 20 लाख से ज्यादा कमा रहा है वो टैक्स भरे. Increase the broaden the tax net, make 40 crore people under the tax net, and then you talk about subsidies. Sir, ma'am, a lot has to change in this country if this country has to move forward. Giving out doles and promising subsidies and taking people for a royal ride is not the right way to do it. Vijay Sardana. Sir, I'm going over on the shows. Vijay Sardana.